Okay, we have arrived at apparently the most beautiful shopping centre in the country. I've never been.
I came 2 years ago, I think.
Okay, was it beautiful?
Do you know what? It did blow me away.
I'm looking forward to it.
It might be underwhelming, who knows? You might not like it, but...
We're going to take you with us to the Trafford Centre. We've got a couple of things we need to buy today. So we need to buy concealer, a birthday present for my friend. You need to buy some slippers.
I don't need to buy slippers. I'd like to.
Okay. You want to look at phones. You also want to look at some golf stuff.
Just because I like golf.
I need a dress for a wedding. We also are going to look at some lamps because we need a new lamp for our hallway. I need some basic tops, like just black, brown, white tops. And you need some...
Like the one you're wearing?
Yeah. And you need some underpants and socks.
Possibly.
So those are the things we're looking for, but obviously we'll look at lots of things. So let's head on in.
To the most beautiful shopping centre.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. Let's go in. We're going to go in via the John Lewis. John Lewis is a really nice department store in the UK. I love John Lewis. Let's go. Woo, woo. It's very pretty. I can see why people like it, but it's quite nice because it's not heaving right now.
There's so much water in this shopping centre.
Yeah, they've really gone strong with the fountains. They've really lent into the fountain aesthetic.
Imagine the water bill.
I like it though. I think the sound of running water is very relaxing. Do you think they're trying to create...
Makes you feel a bit bougie, doesn't it?
Yeah. Do you think they're trying to create like a relaxing shopping environment?
Something, because it could get chaotic here.
And it probably does. Yeah, I've never been to another shopping centre like this in the UK. This definitely feels very extra. Like, feels like they were designing a shopping centre and went, let's go big. Ooh, I do love mango. I do really love mango. I might just have to have a little look at mango, if you don't mind. I don't know whether I like that or not.
I don't think I do.
No. I keep forgetting that we actually have a shopping list of things we need to get, so let's look for those things. Off we go. So I thought they stocked a particular brand, but they didn't. So I need to look for a shop that stocks Charlotte Tilbury. I always find it funny with shopping because I go with the best intentions of wanting to buy stuff, and then I walk in a shop and I go, I probably don't need to buy that, and I leave without buying anything. Like, I rarely leave a shopping centre with big bags of stuff being like, woohoo, I've bought loads of stuff, because I have like buyer's anxiety. Do you feel like that?
What you're saying is we're not going to buy anything today?
No, we will. We have a list.
Nora, at the moment, we've just been walking around. We need to kind of pin down a place and go to this shop. What should we look for first?
Well, I suppose that's the beauty of walking through a shopping centre.
Yeah, but I feel like we'll just wander. I feel like we'll just wander.
Let's see what we see. What's in there? That looks fun. New Orleans in there.
There's a Wetherspoons.
Let's go down there. They've made it look like New Orleans. It's a bit like Disneyland in here with the different themes.
Yeah, it's strange, isn't it?
Look at here, look.
Very strange.
I want to go down there.
Place. I think this is the place where there's the restaurants. So we could come here for food, Laura. I do think part of the charm of going shopping sometimes, I don't love shopping, but part of the charm is having a day where you can just have a mooch around and then have some food in the middle of the day. I do think that's quite nice.
I've just spotted, it's coming soon. It's not open yet.
Got it.
Matcha is my favourite thing in the world. Matcha, I just have such a love affair with matcha at the moment, but I'm sure there'll be another place for me to get matcha. It's fine.
It's like a cruise ship, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because we went on a cruise in Japan a couple of months ago, and I'm not saying it was exactly like this. There wasn't an Odeon on the ship, but Yeah, it's cool, isn't it? It's really cool. Look at the ceiling.
This is very cool, especially if you think we're in the UK. You need something that is enclosed.
It could rain in the UK.
It
any
could.
moment.
I don't know if you've heard, but it rains in the UK. So at any point, you could come here and kind of have a day out, even if it's raining. There's like an arcade down there.
Yeah, there's games, there's a cinema, there's restaurants.
Why have I never been here before? This is so fun.
I'm feeling good about this shop to find a lamp. It's just the price. What price bracket are we working with, Laura? How much would you be happy to spend on a lamp?
On a lamp?
Yeah.
Ideally no more than £50.
Okay.
That feels crazy for a lamp.
Depends on the quality of the lamp. I feel like I'm getting to that age now where I care about the qualities of my lamps, Laura. Look at these.
A stack of cows. A nice stack. Something like this with the glass bottom.
Maybe.
65.
Looks like an apple.
It does look like a big glass apple, you're right.
So it's supposed to be an apple?
Well, it's giving apple, yeah.
No, I don't think that.
Something a bit more interesting, maybe.
A bit. Not.
What about this? This is fun. It's
rechargeable. Would that give
rechargeable.
off enough light?
No, you're right. It
don't
needs to
think
kind
it
of
would.
fill the hallway with light. Yeah.
I think that would ruffle somebody's feathers.
Oh, that could be me and you. I keep setting off the security things when I'm walking in and out. So I'm leaving shops and walking in shops, and the security things are going beep, beep, beep. And I just did a test, and I took everything off apart from my Fitbit, my health watch or whatever. And that's what's setting them off. So what am I supposed to do? Every shop I go in and out of now, it's gonna look like I'm a criminal.
It's okay, Laura. It's okay.
It's so annoying.
I know, it's okay. No, it's okay.
Okay, fine. Well, I'm a criminal.
You know this wedding dress?
It's not a wedding dress.
Oh, what is it?
It's a dress
For
to
a wedding.
be a guest
Okay.
at a wedding.
So this shop.
Yeah.
Well, do you know what shop you're going into for that?
No
or are you just
idea. I don't know
gonna
what
try
shops are here, to be honest. I'm just
see what you
seeing
find.
what appears in front of me.
and- Well, when you do it,
Yeah.
are you going to have to try it on?
Yes.
Okay.
Because
right.
as
I'll
a
look.
tall lady, you cannot buy a dress without trying it on. It's going to end up being too short or being a weird length. So I am going to try it on.
Do you know what I don't get, Laura? Do you know what I don't get?
Go on.
When I try something on, which is very rare, but when I do, take the trousers off, put the new trousers on, try them, stand outside and say, what do you think, Laura? You give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, and then I go back in, do that, right?
Like the people in Gladiator.
Yeah. Yeah. When you do it, I swear I'm sat there for about half an hour. And it's you're just trying on a couple of tops and you're about half an hour. And then like a couple of days later I see there's been like a photo shoot in the booth. You've taken loads of pictures, different poses. I don't get it. Just get it, get out.
So do you want to go to the Apple store, look at phones?
And then I'm getting a bit peckish.
Yeah, so do you want to get food and kind of beat the lunch rush?
Yes, good idea.
Because it's 12, and I think most people think about lunch at about 12:30, 1.
And then Selfridges.
Yeah. I love
Okay, so how about
Selfridges.
this as a plan? We'll go to the Apple store.
Yeah.
Apple store shop.
The Apple's shop.
Apple shop. Have some food and then
Yeah.
go to Selfridges.
Oh, butter, and they've got Wagyu beef with umami rice. Do you remember I said I love matcha? Oh boy, oh boy. It's a matcha mocktail. Mocktail, not a cocktail. Oh yeah, that's that's really nice.
Tell you what though, Laura. Tell you what we can get here.
What?
Conditioner for you.
Huh?
Conditioner.
You mean concealer?
Oh, concealer, right.
That's downstairs. We'll go downstairs after.
Of course.
Oh, this is Bedouin's favourite section. You love coming with me to the beauty section. Come on.
God.
Yeah, I might get her this, which doesn't look a lot, but if you're a woman and you're online, you know that this brand is like the best hair brand. I'm not being sponsored to say this. They are really good. So this is a dry shampoo. I'm waiting in line to get the best matcha because I'm just addicted. Matcha is bought. I'm so much happier when I have a matcha in my hand. Oh, goodness me.
And so here they've got some football shirts signed. I'm guessing they're worn. Maybe not, no, they're probably not match worn. Oh, no, they don't think they're match worn. But Maldini, Ronaldo, Ronaldinho, Neymar, Lamine Yamal, who is the best footballer from your country?
So I'm in another changing rooms and I really like this dress for the wedding guest dress. I think it's very pretty, but it comes with a hefty price tag. That's the only thing. So I don't know if I like it enough. It's nice, but I don't know if I like it enough to spend a lot of money on it. So I think maybe it's a no today. I'm gonna get 2 black ones, 1 grey one, but I'm not gonna get navy because I don't think I'll get any use out of navy. So that's what I'm getting. Hi. We just went to pay and
It was a self-service.
It was a self-service.
Which is weird with clothes, I feel.
Yeah.
That's still a new thing for me.
And I didn't know what to do. And the woman said, well, just put the things you want to buy, just put it on this tray, put it on the tray. And then on the screen, it came up with the things that we were buying. It had pictures of everything. I don't know
How did it know? Because we didn't scan anything. We didn't scan any barcodes or anything. And she didn't really explain. I said, how is that possible? She just said...
She went, I don't know.
I don't know. It's just amazing, isn't it?
It came up on the screen and it said, these are your items. And it said, how do you want to pay? And I said, pay by card. And then it said, we're removing your security tags for you. And it said, removing security tags. Then it went, there you're done. The future.
What security tags? That is crazy.
We're living in the future.
Well, it should be 126. And it's 42.
Do you know what reduced to clear means? Reduced to clear means it's reduced so they can clear it from the shelves because it's old stock and they want to clear it from the shelves. So it's reduced to clear.
We've decided that we're going to get this lamp because it should be £126. It's been reduced twice from 70 to now to 42, reduced to clear. What a success.
Mini half success.
Half success, you think?
About half of the things we said we would get, we didn't get. But I think I enjoyed the Trafford Centre.
You want to come back?
Yeah, I think definitely. And I think going on a weekday meant that we avoided the crowds. So it was a much calmer experience.
Do you know what I would also recommend to people if you were ever visiting the UK and you were like travelling north somewhere? It's a great place to come to shop, and then you can go to all these lovely cities like Manchester, Liverpool, York, Leeds, places like that.
Come to the north.
And but like if you go to those places, you can just appreciate the history of it rather than worrying about shopping for things. Like come here, do your shopping in a nice environment, and then just go and experience the culture and the history of all those lovely cities. That's what I would say.
Just try to avoid the Trafford Centre on a weekend. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy learning English vlogs or just learning English in general, make sure you subscribe.
Click like if you liked it, and subscribe if you haven't already.
You can become a member if you want to get even more from this channel. 2 live streams a month, PDFs for every video, and getting the videos 4 days early. So click the join button, and you can go to smashingenglish.com to see all of our amazing English courses.
Thank you so much for watching.
And we'll see you next time.
Ta-da!